Hey y'all, TF2 and Mike here. Normally I would not do commentary on this Tucker's Snack Attack level, but this is level 501, I think. And I'm starting in the middle because I'm in the middle of it, obviously, as you can see here. But I thought I would do this really quickly.
I have the power!
And I'm actually almost done with this. That's kind of the only reason why I'm doing. Well, I didn't want to do ear kaboom. I wanted to do. Whoops, that wasn't the right thing. Now was it? I'm a moron.
Holy crap!
Okay, there's two left. Where'd they go? Crap, can't do that. Oh, this one here.
Go!
Normally I'm doing no commentary for these because it's just easier for me, because while I love this game, I just love playing the game and not talking, honestly. So there's that. Was that a chicken?
Sup, ladies?
Oh, it's down here.
You're amazing, friend.
I can't believe I didn't see that. The burger and the
Who wants some chimkin?
fried bread. So because this is level 501, at least I think it's level 501. If it's not, we'll find out here in a minute. Yes, level 501. Because it was middle of the level, I will show you level 502. So let's do this. Alright. Got one of those, one of these, and one of these. Yay, power-ups. Normally I don't have power-ups in this game, but I do now, so let's use them. Alright, I want something to go with that burger. Oh, this is just give Tritos. Ooh, can I use 2 burgers at once? Please? Okay, this is interesting, folks. I've never had 2 burgers at once next to each other. If I have, I don't remember. So let's see what this does.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's good. It's gonna make this level go way fast. I might not even need to use the power-ups from the dogs. Maybe. I don't know. Sometimes these Gib Trito levels, these Gib Chicken and Snacks levels, sometimes... Oh, that's a mix-up, isn't it? And my game is mixed up. That's a little rough there. Huh, that's interesting. That was weird. Oh, whoa. What the... That's weird as hell. I'm gonna have to report that to the dev team. Yep, it's okay. I'm gonna have to see if that happens on other levels now.
Ah, you're such a good boy.
Crap, I couldn't get the screenshot off immediately. Damn it. Well, they'll see it in the thing. But that's levels 502 and 503, folks. No, I'm sorry. Correction, that's levels 501 and 502. Catch you in the next one.